welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing and demoing the new Born to Glow foundation by NYX Cosmetics. I've been playing with this bad boy for the last 3-4 days, and this is not going to be a first impressions because I already know how I feel about it. I'm just going to show you guys how it applies, how it looks, and it feels on the skin. I'm going to tell you guys my overall thoughts at the end of the video, so if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so quickly before we get into the foundation, this foundation retails for $10. You can find this at Ulta now, I believe, on the NYX website and anywhere where you can find a NYX actual like standing store. It comes in a total of 45 shades, which is great. This foundation claims to have a natural radiant finish. It has medium to buildable coverage, and that's pretty much it. Nothing else, nothing like extra. So we're just gonna get right into the demo and then we'll jump into my overall thoughts. Alrighty you guys, so don't mind my hair, don't mind my brows. I know I look a hot mess. I put on some lashes to look kind of cute, you know, but today's one of those days, you know, when you just don't feel it. Like, I'm not feeling myself, so whatever. So here's the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I got two shades. I got the shade Golden, which is the lighter one, and I got the shade Golden Honey as well because I wasn't sure which one was going to suit me better. I did get a tan recently, so I tan my body, not my face. I put a lot of sunscreen on my face, so just for reference, I do wear MAC NC44, Fenty Beauty 330, Bobbi Brown Golden Honey 5.75, and I'll leave the rest of my foundation shades in the description box if you guys are interested. But before I apply anything on my face, I'm just gonna swatch them on my face so you guys can see what the shades look like. So let's start with the lighter shade, which is Golden. I'm just gonna put this right here. So that's Golden, and then Golden Honey, I'm gonna put it right next to it. So like right there. So this is definitely a bit lighter. This has a little bit more like of a warmer, I'm gonna say a little bit orangey kind of undertone to it. I feel like the Golden shade is perfect if you're an NC43 from MAC. It's like the perfect shade, especially if you have a little bit of neutral like ness to your skin tone. Personally, I feel like this might be too light for me and this might be a little too dark, so I'm gonna mix both of them. You guys know the drill. Can never find my shade. Most of us can't find our shade when it comes to foundation, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. This foundation does have a very dewy finish to it, so I'm using kind of like my Ulla Henriksen banana face primer or like my MAC stroke cream. It's going to intensify the dewiness, so I want to avoid that. I'm just gonna use a regular just a regular primer. This is kind of like a moisturizer and primer at the same time. This is the EMBRYOLISSE Lait Cream Primer. I'm just gonna keep it cute and simple. So I'm gonna mix both Golden and Golden Honey on the back of my hand. I'm gonna do more so of the Golden and then a little bit of the Honey. I'm going to use my Morphe M43 and I'm just gonna spritz it with some Fix Plus. I am out, completely out, you guys. I need to go get a new one. You guys know the drill. Whatever's left on the brush, that's what I'm gonna apply on my forehead and on my nose. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric in the shade 5.75. This concealer is amazing. Alright, so I want to use my Charlotte Tilbury powder to set it, but I need to use my other products. I'm going to use the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder with my Real Techniques little brush. Alright, so let's bring some color back to our face. I'm going to use the MAC 140 and my Ipanema Sun BECCA bronzer. This bronzer is growing on me. At first, I liked it. I didn't love it, but I'm starting to really fall in love with this bronzer. It's gorgeous. For highlight, I'm gonna mix the Bobbi Brown, what's it called? Afternoon Glow highlighter with my Mercier Translucent Medium Deep. This is the Glow Powder. For blush, I'm gonna use MAC's Mineralized blush in the shade Fresh Honey. It's just a gorgeous peachy shade with my MAC 137 of my cheeks. I'm gonna use that same Bobbi Brown highlighter with a Morphe M507 just to highlight my inner corner. Gonna use a little bit of this Recipe Glow Watermelon Glow Mist, Ultra Fine Mist. Alright, so moving on to lips using Cork Lip Pencil by MAC. Going to use this Bite lipstick in the shade Cremini, I don't know, it's just a nice nude. For gloss, this is the Buxom Full Lip Plumping Lip Gloss. Yes, lip polish in the shade Leslie, one of my faves. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the final look. I am obsessed with this foundation. I'm going to tell you guys right now. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in one more time. Alrighty, so I'm not gonna do a wear test because it is unnecessary. It's just not worth it. The reason why I say that is because I've already played with the foundation at least like 3 to 4 times. Different powders, different primers, different setting sprays, and every single time that I've used it, it just looks bomb, just gorgeous. However, is this a long wearing, long lasting 10-hour type of foundation? No, especially if you have combo oily skin or just oily skin. It is gonna be super glowy and kind of like greasy on oily skin if you don't use a good primer, a good powder, a good setting spray. You're going to look very greasy. So I highly suggest that you prime really well and, you know, prep your skin really well if you're going to use this foundation and you have oily skin. If you don't mind blotting throughout the day, you are going to love this. But if you're not into that, you like your face very matte, just shine free, this is not for you. I feel like this is great if you like a very natural skin-like type of look. If you have dry skin, normal skin, dry combination skin, bomb, okay? Like, it is gorgeous. It applies super smoothly. It does not emphasize any textures, any texture or pore on the, or girl, any texture or pore. I'm done. I am so done. Any pores or any texture on the skin, can't talk. It does come in a total of 45 shades. Like I mentioned, it retails for $10. I mean, for the price point, the glow that you're getting, the finish that you're getting, it is gorgeous. If I had to compare this to a high-end luxury brand product, definitely would be the Nars Tinted Radiant Moisturizer. I use the shade Cuba Medium 3 in this one. It is pretty much the exact same thing. It gives you that natural glowy look. The only difference is this might have a little bit more coverage, so this might be more buildable because this is an actual foundation. This is a tinted moisturizer, so obviously you're gonna get more coverage, but overall in terms of the finish, the application, the glow, it is exactly the same thing. I am obsessed. I'm happy because I'm practically out of this one, and this is like $45, so I'm just gonna stick with this one for now. Like I said, I've been playing with it. As you guys can see, my skin just looks glowy, not greasy, not shiny. Like, it is bomb. I will say after 5 hours of wear, especially because I live in Miami, it is super hot. Yes, I'm gonna look a little bit oily, especially my T-zone, because that's the only area where I get oily. The rest of my face is very dry. I don't care, I'll just grab like a little tissue and I'll blot it. I'm okay with that. I'd rather look glowing and oily than dry and just like flaky, you know what I'm saying? So Overall, I am obsessed. Highly recommend this foundation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, let me know if you guys have any questions. Check the description box below for any products that I use for today's video. And thank you guys for all the love in my previous chit chat get ready with me. Get ready with me. I can ever talk. Thank you guys. I thought that you guys were gonna be super bored. I'm so basic. I'm such a basic, boring type of person, like I can't even tell you. So I'm really excited that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any more like requests for me to do, let me know. I do have my skincare video coming up this Friday, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye beauties.